Hey everyone, happy holidays. Steve Cizik with the Harris Law Firm Tax Division. Just wanted to touch base on the beneficial ownership filing requirements through the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. You may have heard about this if you're dealing with anything in connection with filing of LLCs or entities that may be subject to this requirement. This is basically the government trying to confirm whether you've got out-of-country ownership of an LLC and maybe hiding behind that for purposes of identification or taxation. The problem is that it applies to everybody. So anybody who's got a smallish LLC, an SCorp corporation that's not a large entity like an insurance company, you need to actually go online and file these forms. And the dangerous part is it's $500 or more a day if you don't properly file them. This one has been going back and forth in the courts all the way up until what would have been the filing deadline on the 1st of January 2025. Just now we got literally today on Christmas Eve verification that they're going to extend that out to the 13th because of some injunctions that were put in place in Texas and Alabama and the other places. But for now, the government is still requiring that these be filed. We are advising our clients, just as far as belt and suspenders, go ahead and log on to the website there, FinCEN.gov, and then filing the BOI reporting forms. They are not very hard. I just did 3 of them for my 3 businesses just today, now that I got the verification of it, and it took 30 minutes. So, for those smaller held LLCs, we're saying it's better to file it now. It may be deemed unconstitutional at a later date, but it's always easier to prevent a penalty and not have to deal with it if it is deemed unconstitutional than to have to deal with a penalty based upon a reasonable cause position and an appeal that will cost you time and money, either that is through paying the penalty or having to hire a tax attorney to deal with it for you. So are we prepared to deal with that? Absolutely. Would we like to have our clients prevent that penalty as a New Year's present to the masses? Then absolutely. So Steve Cizik, Harris Law Firm Tax Division, wishing everybody a Happy New Year and giving you a little homework before January 13th, 2025 is the new filing deadline for these BOIR reporting requirements. Thanks a lot. Have a great holiday.